Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course, guys, today I will have a special unboxing. And as you can see here, this is the product that will be featured. And this product is simply a smart battery powered camera. Now, of course, one of the things that I like about this device is that it boasts a wireless low power consumption camera, meaning that it's great for installing in key places where you might not have electricity or so on, where it stores power, and you can basically do a lot of recording, especially on a basis where you might have something trigger the alarm or trigger the camera to record, and of course later on you can retrieve the footage. And this is one of those handy cams that you can actually use to find or plug gaps in your security system. All right, so to thank the guys or the creators of this device, we're sending it over for review, free of cost. And of course, this will be my honest review. Now, of course, it comes in this small box, as you can see here. This is a example of the product. It does give you a good idea what it looks like. It looks like basic mounting, and of course, you can see the overview of the camera, the sensor, and a power button, and of course, the security eye right there. And of course, I just talked about the power usage. You can see the Chinese writing on this side. On this side, you can see some of the features. Let's check them out. And the features include HD video lens. It has a 2x rechargeable battery. As I was saying, it stores its own power. It has two-way audio, which means you can actually speak and audio will be transferred to it. It has a per motion detection, which is always great, meaning if motion is detected, it will activate. There's also night vision, which is great for those dark places. All right, so you can see on the back here, it's basically the same information, but in Chinese. We're gonna open this up. Just before I do that, let me just cover some of this. It does say on the side here, wireless rechargeable. It says it includes a 32 gigabyte SD card. That's also great, meaning it will actually store stuff without you have to worry about finding an SD card. It produces HD 1080p say 1080p battery camera, meaning you get in full HD. The model is the AZ-10080P-BC2, and it shows you there's a charge DC 5 volts, and the battery is a 18,650, which I think is a milliamps, which is the amount of energy that can be stored. All right, the box opens up easily. And as you can see here, there's a small warning. It does say important notes. Please kindly read the quick start guide. Maximize Wi-Fi distance. It says 15 meters. And of course, it only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. Please don't connect 5G Wi-Fi networks. So it's not 5G compatible. Our services emails. There's an email to the producer. Let's open this up. All right. So here's the box. Right away you can see the quick start guide, which is always nice. Alright, so this is the quick start guide. There's a small glass here. I'm not sure what this is for. It's attached, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Quick start guide. And you can see the quick start guide here. I'll just run you through. Gives you an idea of what's in the box. It also shows you the battery. It shows you the app, and it also shows you how to install and mount, and it does run you through several of these key features, and it shows you how to use, it shows you how to connect to your Wi-Fi in operating this. I'm going to put this aside. Next, it does come with a free gift. Not sure what this is. I'll have to check this out. Again, that's always great when the manufacturer includes free gifts. All right, and on the other side, it does say get your free gift now by joining buy one get one. That's always nice. A campaign going on, and it does say A-Zone, which I think is the manufacturer right there of this device. Now, of course, the camera is right in here. I'm just going to go ahead and retrieve it. All right. Here we have the mounting stand. Also, we have the adapter for charging, and let me just say this is seems to be micro USB, I think. There are mounting screws. This is the camera itself inside of this package. I'm gonna get this out. Okay, now the first thing I notice about this thing is that it's very heavy. That's because most likely the battery that's inside. You do see the A-Zone logo. I thank the guys over at A-Zone again for sending this over, and you can see this protective plastic. This should be removed later on when you're ready. There's also the mounting base where this will be attached. I'll figure this out later as it relates to the instruction. There's the power right here, and of course there's a speaker at the back. You can check out the mounting clip right here. It does show you the charge port. There's a reset option, and I'm looking for the memory card. I'm not sure where that is right now, but most likely it's already installed. But let's just check this out. All right, so there's the front of the device, there's the sides, and of course there's a product code at the top. Now of course once the app connects, you'll be able to check out the video footage as well as look at what the camera is doing at any given time. All right, so far so good. I'll be testing this out and showing you this, guys, in another video. For now, this is just the unboxing, just to show you what to expect. Of course, liking the design. It's nice. Obviously, this thing seems very durable. I like the black front, the contrast from the white sides. And of course, I like the fact that you do get all the accessories and everything you need, including storage outside of the box. So in those cases, I don't really have to worry about getting stuff like storage, such as buying a memory card. It does have all what you need outside the box. Just another quick addition, guys. As you can see here, this section removes, and you can see the battery inside of here. Also, the charge ports does show up. There's also this contact point for this section around here, and these batteries eventually can be changed, so that does add to the life of the product. Also, there is a memory card, I think. I'm gonna check this out to see if there's actually a memory card here. I think there's a memory card there. There's something in the slot, and I'm not sure how to eject this. It might be pressure sensitive, but there seems to be a memory card already in this slot. In such a case, I don't think I'll remove it right now, but as you can see, everything is here. Also, it closes quite nicely or easily, as you can see as well. It just goes back into place. Due to the fact that this is a big product, it will take some time to get through all the features. So I'll do a part 2 where I actually introduce you to the product, the interface, and show you what it's like once it's working. Alright, guys, if you have any suggestions as well as to what you'd like to see pertaining to this particular device, please also let me know by sounding off in the comments. As always, guys, Ricardo Garner for Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye, guys.